Hi, I'm Ron Duncan with House to Home, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a kitchen light. For this project, we're going to need a couple of tools. One is a circuit tester and a straight blade screwdriver. The first thing we need to do is to shut off the power, and the source of this power is at the switch. So we're going to turn the switch off. Next, I'm going to go up top. I'm going to check the electrical connections. And this just has a little lock nut that holds the fixture in. I'm going to pull this whole assembly down. And I'm going to check to make sure, even though I turned the switch off, and the power is dead with my tester. I'm going to check the connections. I'm going to take the wire nuts completely off, and it looks good with the hot. In this case, the hot is red. And I'm going to check the neutral connections. Take the wire completely off, and it looks good. I'm going to put it back on. So I know that the connections are good up top. I'm going to replace everything. Put the lock nut back on. Next, the possible thing that can go wrong with a light fixture is the tab underneath the socket. So I'm going to take my straight blade screwdriver and I'm simply going to pry on the tab, because what happens is these tabs, after years of putting in a new light bulb, they start to flatten. So I'm going to check that. And those are the things that you need to do to fix a light fixture. The last thing, if all else fails, then the fixture wire is bad between here and the incoming source. So then I want to replace this fixture wire, and that would be the last thing that would make this fixture work if all the other things did not work. This has been Ron Duncan from House to Home, and that's how you fix a kitchen light.